YouTube, what is up? Bearded Yakking here, and we got an Amazon tool haul. Everybody remembers that kit from Tekton. That kit from Tekton, right here. Well, I smoked the T40 with the impact. So what I did, I had to replace it. So I replaced it with this, the Sunex T40, made in Taiwan. Made in Taiwan, T40 stamped, and it's like etched. Part number 3670S5. Focus. Alright, phone don't want to focus. But what else did I end up getting was this Torx. For some reason my phone don't want to focus. 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 But anyway, I got this Torx here, T40, and chromoly. They're better than chrome vanadium. That's what these ones are, chrome vanadium. So, I mean, I fucking smoked it. Blew it right to pieces. Trying to disassemble that water pump on the Honda pressure washer. Smoked it. And, you know, them screws weren't really in there that good. Like, yeah, they were seized, but it shouldn't have fucking blew apart. So that's probably one Tekton tool that I bought that was fucking junk. But these here, I'm going to give these things a try. Know what I mean? But anyway, that's it. Couple minute video. I think I paid what, combined, probably $12 for both of them. Combined. Free shipping. That's it. That's all we got, folks. Bearded Yakking here. Like, comment, subscribe. That's it. Sorry, small tool haul. 2 fucking items. And we'll deal with it another time. Bearded Yakking here. We are signing off. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be doing a review on the Cornwell Blue Ion work light. Rechargeable magnetic work light. That's going to be my next video, since I've been using it for a while now. And stay tuned for that video. Coming soon. Bearded Yakking here, and we are signing off.